why is it that there is such a wide range of prices between different contractors? Some contractors do work themselves. They have a license and they literally go out into the field and do the work. So when they're calculating the money that they want to make, they're calculating how much are they going to be able to pay themselves. You're just paying for the labor. The risk in hiring someone like that is if you don't get them agreed to only do one project at a time, they do this. They go and work on this project Monday, then this one Tuesday, then this one Wednesday. And nothing happens on those previous two projects on Monday or Tuesday. And then they're going and quoting a new one on Thursday. Then they tell you they'll be back on Monday. And you get 1 day of work a week. And that's how you get a project strung out for several years that should have taken a couple months. You want to make sure that if you're hiring a small contractor like that, you get an agreement that they're only going to work on your project. If you're getting a higher price, that's a contractor that actually has an infrastructure in place so that they can do multiple jobs safely at once. So that's the consideration you need to take into account if you're thinking about hiring a small versus a large contractor.